Hello all. Next, infinitive. Infinitives part 2. Commonly, an infinitive is used with the subject it. The sentence structure is it is dash plus infinitive. Please go to the example. It is time to do math. Here, it refers to the infinitive. It is time to do math. It is common to think that way. To think is a usage of infinitive to with the verb think. It. Here it refers to the infinitive. Both gerunds, that is the verb plus ing, and infinitive phrases, to plus verb or it, can function as nouns in a variety of ways. Here we have verbs that can precede only gerunds. The verbs that can precede only infinitives. First, the verbs that can precede only gerunds. Considering, suggesting, enjoying, denying, avoiding, missing, practicing. Verbs that precede only infinitives. To offer, to decide, to hope, to attempt. Verbs that can precede either gerunds or infinitives without changing meanings. To continue or continuing, to like, liking, to love, loving, and so on. Without changing meanings, the verbs that can precede either gerunds or infinitive. To remember, remembering, forgetting, to forget. Trying, to try. There is no change in the meaning of the words. There is an example given for that. Please exercise the quiz. Thank you.